She's back to building her nest. This is day 2. She's been pretty busy this morning. Yeah. Building a house. Pretty neat. I like watching this. I'll actually be able to watch it from start to finish. Really cool. God's creatures. Pretty neat. She has a red head. She has red feathers on her head, and the male's all brown. I need to look into seeing. It could be vice versa. It could be male's brown or the female's brown and the male has red on its face, but that's pretty neat. Alright, I'll look into it. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Sunday, April 7th, 2024. Currently 39 degrees, 7:38, and it is a sunny day, which is nice. Coffee time. Hope you guys are sitting back enjoying some coffee. So yeah, I was out checking the bird this morning. She's still working, building that nest. It's actually her and her husband. So that's pretty cool. Building a house together. It'd be nice to do in real life, you know, build a house together. But I want to see what kind of birds they are. One of them has red feathers on its face, and then the other one's like all brown. So today I'm headed to finish that trim job. Today I'm going to paint everything, and then he has 2 door locks he needs me to replace. I'm going to do those, and then I got to hang up a piece of plywood on a concrete wall. This guy's into computers, so he has a lot of things he's going to hang on it, circuit boards and things of that nature. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm hoping to be done early. Yeah, take it easy. Got to go clean the van out, load up for next week. I got a flooring job to do Tuesday and Wednesday, and all right, guys, have a great day, and stay positive. If anyone's feeling sick, I'm hoping you are going to feel better. I'll send you wishes, well wishes. Have a great day. Don't worry about it, baby.